Steel production uses large amounts of energy, making efficiency essential for reducing costs and staying competitive. The first step is identifying where energy is most consumed: furnaces, rolling mills, air systems, and waste heat. Regular energy audits help pinpoint inefficiencies, while upgrading to energy-efficient equipment reduces overall consumption. Capturing waste heat and reusing it for other processes can cut energy waste significantly. Automation and smart technologies optimize operations in real time, allocating energy only where needed. Mills can also adopt renewable energy sources to lower cost and reduce environmental impact. Finally, training employees and using real-time monitoring systems ensures ongoing improvement, helping steel manufacturers work smarter and more sustainably.